Hello everyone, welcome to our channels, and this is Mary. Now, today we show you the details of our this device, the Hydrafacial spa devices. And first, you can see the whole machines and the working handles, and then later I will show you the details operation of each handle. And then now let's see the interface. Here is the operation interface. We click, and here showing the working handles, totally 14 handles. And first, this is hydro dermabrasion or diamond dermabrasion handles to do the skin cleaning. And here is the oxygen spray guns. This is for skin hydrofacial. And here is RF for it's coming with a smaller and big handle. They are for the face and facelifting, wrinkles remove. And here is high frequency working handles for skincare or hair care. And here is ultrasonic handles, also for the skin tightening. And here is a skin scrubber, that's for to do the skin cleaning and dead skin remove. Here is photo brush, and that is also called PDT working handles. It's for skin care. And here is photoelectric working handle. It's working on the face to do the face skin cares. And here is cold hammer. That's to after the treatment we can use this to do the skin clamp the skin and clamp the treatment. Okay, and now let's to do the operation one by one. Okay, here you can see there are A, B, C, D, and 4 bottles. And for the first A bottle, we put the deep cleaning liquids. And for the B bottles, we put the vitality water oxygen liquids. And for the C bottle, we put the skin whitening liquids. And for the D bottles, just to put the pure water. It's for cleaning the working handles. First, we use this diamond dermabrasion to do the skin deep cleaning. And here we can adjust the vacuum power from lower to the higher. And here we start. We can do the treatment like this. Okay, second, let's do the treatment with oxygen spray handles. And here you can see the handle. This is to do the skin hydrofacials. Here in the handle there are a cup. We need to add pure water or skin care products water in it to do the treatment. We put the pure water. And you can put the skincare products water, it's okay. And take it. Okay, we can do the treatment. Like this, we protect the client's eyes to do the treatment. Okay, now we use this Hydra dermabrasion handle to do the smaller area and blackhead remove. Okay, now we use the skin scrubber to do the dead skins removal. Now we use the ultrasound handle to do this small ultrasound handle to do the treatment around the eyes and with the result of skin lifting. For the treatment, we need to put the cooling gel on the treatment parts. Now we use this big ultrasound head to do the whole face treatment. Also, before the treatment, we need to put the cooling gel on the treatment parts. Now we use the RF handles. First, use the smaller RF handle to do the eyes skin care. Also, before the treatment, need to put the cooling gel first. Okay, we use the tripolar big RF handles to do the whole facial treatment. Before the treatment, also need to put the enough cooling gel. And choose the big hand. Start. Okay, now we use this two photoelectric head to do the whole face treatment. And also before do the treatment, you need to put the cooling gel on the face. Okay, now let's use this cold hammer to clamp the skin. Also needed to put the cooling gel on the treatment parts and press this button with the blue light to clamp the skin. Now we use a PET pad to do the skincare. We can choose red light or blue light. Okay, now we use a high frequency hand to this handle to do the face, and here is the screw to adjust the energy. Also coming with this cap to do the hair care.